Hello children, good morning everybody. Today are our topics number systems. We have already learned there are two types of number systems. First of Indian systems and second of international systems. Understand? First of Indian systems and second of international systems. Right? The number today a very important role in our day-to-day lives. We use number to count, measure, compare and order things, right? We use number to count, measure, compare and order things. We can count very large number starting from 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores, right? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. So when we counting Indian system of numeration, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. We are using Indian system numeration, right? Today let us learn more about them. Let us begin with the Indian system of numeration. Look at the tables. Look at the tables. It is so the period, place, and digit, right? This is ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, and crore periods. The ones period consists 1, 10, and 100. This is ones period. The thousands period comprises two places, 1,000, 10,000, right? The lakhs period comprises lakhs and 10 lakhs. Also has two places, crores and 10 crores. The first period, called ones period, is formed with the first three digits, 1, 2, 3. This 3-digit period called to ones. The second period, called thousand period, is formed with the next two digits, and 1,000 and 10,000. Third period, called lakhs, is formed with the next two digits, lakhs and 10 lakhs, right? Ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. The third period of called lakhs period and fourth period called crore periods is formed with the next two digits of the number, ones and two. This is called crore periods. Period is completed. So this is one place, then comes 10 place, then comes 100 place, 1,000 places, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores places. So now become very easily to read any large number. This is 587642116. 216, this is ones period. 64, this is thousand period. 87, this is lakhs period, and 5 crore periods, right? 5 is crores period, so 5 crores. 87 is 87. 87 is lakhs period, so 87 lakhs. 76 sorry 64 is thousands period. 64, so we call 64,000. And ones period 216, this is 260. 260. So what this number? 5 crores 87 lakhs 64,260. 260. You know, in the Indian systems, so commas are used to marks. This is commas. First one groups, so commas, second groups commas, and thirds commas, right? One more example is 72 commas 34 commas 210. 210, this is ones place 210. 34 thousands period, this is 34,000. 72 lakhs period, this is 72 lakhs. That is this number 72 lakhs 34,210. One more example 83462736, right? 3 digit of one group, 2 digit of one group, 2 digit of one group, and 1 digit of one group, right? So this is 100, this is one groups, thousand groups, lakhs groups, and crore groups. So we read this 8 crore 34 lakhs 62,736 very easily to read this large number, right? So today homework, write the numbers in Indian system, first, second, and third. Complete 8, 1, 10, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, and 10 crores. How many zero in 1 lakhs? And last question, how many zero in 1 crores? Thanks all of you. On the second day, you will be told about the international system.